and I've got a very special townhouse to show you. This has been beautifully built. Let's take a look. Check out the main living level. You've got courtyards at the back and at the front.
And outside there's enough room for the kids to play and kick a ball.
I'm here in the kitchen and I absolutely love what they've done. We've got quality tapware, state-of-the-art appliances, and this level of finish is shown right throughout the home.
As you can see, there's really a lot of money that's been invested into making this a luxurious townhouse. But they forgot the coffee machine. I've got one solution for that. It's so good to be walking distance to Westfield Miranda.